Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can follow someone on Etsy. Keep watching the video till the end. To follow someone on Etsy, firstly go ahead and launch open your Etsy application. You will end up on the home page of your Etsy's account. From the home page, tap on the product of a person you'd like to follow. On the next page, scroll all the way down until you reach the name of the owner of a product and tap on it. Now all you need to do is tap on Follow Shop option. This is how you can follow someone on Etsy quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.